So what's up guys, welcome back to another video with an interesting topic, how to see the Wi-Fi password in the connected mobile. Over the course of using, probably you may have connected dozens of Wi-Fi networks. The troubles come when you want to actually see the password for one of the networks you connection. Perhaps you want to connect a second device to save the Wi-Fi access point, or maybe you are with a friend who wants to log into the same hotspot but without a way to access the actual password that your device has stored. You are out of luck. I am going to teach you a very simple and easy method to see the Wi-Fi password. This method does not require root or even any extra app, but it requires that your phone is running Android 10 or higher updated version. If your phone has been updated to this version, I'll teach you a very quick and easy to save Wi-Fi password. So let's begin with a short intro.
What you're giving, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they apologize.
So guys, now we are in the mobile screen. Currently there is only one flavor of Android 10, and that's the stock Android version directly from Google. However, in the near future, manufacturers like Samsung will put their own spin on Android 10 by applying an OEM scheme such as One UI, which means the settings menus will be a little different on your phone. So first, search your settings menu for Wi-Fi sub-menu on stock Android. That's located in the setting, network and internet. Once you have found the Wi-Fi settings menu page, scroll past the list of available networks and select the Save Networks option. From there you will see a list of the all Wi-Fi networks your phone remembers. Select one which you want to see the Wi-Fi password. Now choose the share option towards the top of the screen. You will be asked to scan your fingerprint or face enter your PIN password. Upon doing so, you will see a QR code which represents the network's access ID and password. You could scan with another device using a QR scanner if you wanted, but the password is also listed in the plain text beneath the QR code, so you can copy it from there. If you don't have another device to scan it, you can just take a screenshot. After taking the screenshot, you have to just go to the QR scanner app. You have to select the photo there. If you wanted, but the password is also listed in a plain text beneath the QR code, so you can copy it from there. You can see here the password has been shown, so you can connect to this network directly and you can enjoy it with your Wi-Fi. This was very simple. So guys, this was a very simple and easy method to see the Wi-Fi password in the connected mobile. If you like my video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.